Today we're going to test and review the HEYTRIP car tent. Stay tuned. So the company HEYTRIP reached out to me about trying out their car tent and their air mattress. However, I had already had the air mattress. I bought it a couple of months ago, so they sent me the tent instead. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and put it up and see what it's like. The first thing I have to say is that this is the smallest stuff sack I've ever seen. So it's very small and it's very light. I think a pound. That's how much it weighs. So we're going to see what's in it that only weighs a pound. So the first thing we have in the stuff sack is a little bag. I'm assuming these are probably the stakes. Yeah, stakes and guidelines. And then a little stuff sack. And here is the tent. Seems kind of small, but we're going to put it on the car and see what happens. So let's go on to the next step. So there's two clips right here. Is there two? There's four, maybe. You have to tie these off all the way to your front. I'm just tying this off onto my side mirror right now. We're not going to secure it too much. Just enough to get it up. And there's two more up there. So unlike my Napier, this one has a awning that actually comes out. So you use some poles, which I actually have some in the car. We can see that's a little crooked. So this is the first time putting it up. So you know, I might have. I'm back. I might not have pulled it over enough, but you kind of get the gist. Let's put some poles up so you can kind of see the awning. So it does come with two stakes, and it's for the awning, but you only have two more cords, and they're going to have to go in the front of that to pull it forward. So you're going to need a couple extra of these. So we're going to put the poles up and check out and see what the awning looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is really awesome, this awning right here. I didn't expect it to be so big. Very well made. As you can see here though, I know that I didn't even it out correctly. It was the first time, so I know to pull that over. I would do the same thing like I do with mine. Get some magnets in here, because there's always a little gap right here. And the magnets onto your car keep that gap right there. I'm really surprised for the weight, exactly how thick it is. So it almost looks like this is actually reflective too. Looks like YKK zippers. Zips from the inside and the outside. I think it'd be an awesome tent. I like the fact of the awning, and these poles are just kind of like sitting on here right now, so if they fall. Once it's pulled back, I think it'll become tight enough, and then that'll come up. So your awning would zip right here, so if you're going to sleep for the night, unless of course it's hot and you have some privacy, just zip up your awning. Like that. There you go. Totally covered now. So we're going to put some specs up on the tent, and then I'll give you my final review on it. Here are the dimensions of the tent, the guidelines, and the stakes, and the stuff sack. The tent is made with water-resistant polyester, and it also has a PU coating to block out the sunlight. It has a mesh screen to keep out the bugs and for ventilation, and you can zip it for privacy. One thing I forgot to add about the screen. It does roll up, and under here are little snaps, so you can snap it right up there. This is their mattress that I actually had bought before she reached out to me, which was a bummer. This will actually run off my jacket right here. Just plug it into your 12 volts right here, and it'll work just fine. These are the specifications on the HEYTRIP mattress. This is what is included when you purchase this particular mattress. So this is the mattress. It is comfortable. I have used it a couple of times, and it's very comfortable. This side usually will go against there. Now you have the option also, if you wanted to have your whole entire back a mattress, you can inflate this part underneath here. So that's pretty awesome. But that's comfortable, just like that. So my final thoughts on the HEYTRIP car tent. I think it's pretty awesome tent. It's lightweight. Let's hope it goes right back into the stuff sack that it came into, because this is amazing. I mean, it's so lightweight. It weighs actually nothing. The awning is perfect. I mean, you could probably bring it down even more if you got like a cross rain coming at you or something, so you could bring it down more. I don't know about the warmth of it, because it's actually 50 degrees out today, so and I am not staying out all night, so we won't know about that. And as far as the rain is concerned, it is supposed to rain, so maybe that'll be a good test of it. So besides that, other than to have to bring 2 more paracords and poles, but you can use trekking poles too. I'm sure there's going to have to be tweaking. I just put it together for the first time, and it is uneven, and that's probably me, because I'm not used to the tent. So I'll do some tweaking after the video and see, because it's not the manufacturer, it's user error. So besides that, I think it's a really awesome tent. And in the description, I'm going to put down a 15% off discount code for the tent or the mattress. So you go to the website and check them out. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you guys on my next video.